Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we turn off guys battery saver setting in our Tecno mobile. Friends, you want to off your phone battery saver, so how can you off today? I will show you. I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So guys, open your phone setting to off guys your phone battery saver guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll it friends, click on guys your phone this phone battery lab setting is tap here, and friends again friends you can see this advanced setting is tap here. Last one you can see your battery saver guys, tap here. Friends, you don't want to use, you want to off your phone battery saver, so friends you can use, you can off from here guys. You can see battery saver is off. So like that guy, we can turn off guys our phone battery saver setting. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. I hope friends you have understood how to off battery saver in our Tecno mobile. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Friends, do you have any doubt guys related to guys your phone battery setting guys, you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye guys.